Hey there, parents! Warmer weather is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to plan some family adventures, especially for our neurodivergent loved ones. Trust me, traveling can be an incredibly enriching experience for everyone. First off, plan ahead. Research your destination, check transportation options, and look up accessible attractions. Let airlines, hotels, and tour operators know about any special needs in advance. Packing essentials is key. Don't forget medications, a first aid kit, and any extra mobility aids your family might need. Orientation and mobility training can be a game changer. It helps improve navigation skills, making everyone feel more confident. Travel companions are a must. Bring along a trusted friend or family member for extra support and navigation help. Use technology to your advantage. Smartphone apps with GPS and voice assistance features are lifesavers. Download maps and navigation apps before you go. Make sure you have all important documents in an accessible format. This includes IDs, medical info, and travel documents. Communication is crucial. Learn a few essential phrases in the local language and use communication aids. Travel apps can help translate text to speech. Don't forget about airport assistance. Request help with check-in, security, and boarding if needed. Public transportation can be a breeze if you familiarize yourself with their accessibility features. Choose accommodations that offer key comforts and accessibility features. It makes a world of difference. Dining out? Ask for menus ahead of time and use apps that read them aloud. Explore with care. Be cautious and ask about potential hazards or obstacles. Seek local resources for support and guidance. And finally, share your travel itinerary with someone you trust. Stay positive, be patient, and don't hesitate to ask for help. Remember, with the right planning and mindset, travel can be a rewarding experience for every family member. So pack those bags and create some unforgettable memories. You are stronger than you think, and your family can conquer any journey together. Every step you take is a step towards creating beautiful memories. Believe in your ability to make travel a joyful experience for your family.